G'day guys, Greg here. Now listen, I've got a scenario for you. You've just woken up and in about 15 minutes you got to leave the house, but you really wanted ham and eggs on toast for breakfast. You're not going to have time to get ready and cook it all at once, or at least that's what you think. There is a way to do it, there is a way to cook it. You can cook it while you're getting ready, and it's really simple and easy. So today I'm going to show you how to do it. A quick, easy, simple breakfast in no time at all. And for this I'm using my new kitchen appliance, the pie maker. Have you seen one of these things? Now these things are absolutely awesome, and well, I'm going to be doing a few recipes with this machine right here. So let's make this ham and egg on toast. So easy in the pie maker. Let me show you how it's done. So I've got some ham, eggs, bread, cheese, and of course, some butter. So how about we just, for starters, I just want to cut a few slices of this cheese off. Doesn't have to be perfect. And now, I just want to butter one side of the bread. Can you hear the neighbour talking? He's a loud talker. Hey, loud talker. How about you talk a little bit quieter, for goodness sakes? All right, well that's all done. So let's start throwing this together. Right, so I'll just turn this on. Lift the lid. And butter side down, I'll just push this into the pie area.
That's what she said.
Next I'll add some ham in here. I love ham. And in this dish, of course, it tastes amazing. Next, just crack an egg in here. And then we add the cheese on top. A bit more over here. And now we just need to close the lid down. And we just need to give that 10 to 15 minutes and it'll be ready. So I'm going to go quickly have a shower, get ready, and then we'll come back and we'll suss these out. We'll see you then. Okay, well it's been just over 10 minutes and let's take a look. Oh yeah, baby! How good's this one look? Now these should be super easy just to lift out as well. The pie maker is really good at not sticking. Well, how about I cut one open so I can show you what they look like on the inside. I'm really going to enjoy this. Alrighty, well, I'm ready and these eggs are ready too. So, how about we dive on in and see what it tastes like. Alrighty. Oh man, that tastes so good. Yummo. And you know what else you can do? With these bits of bread here that are hanging out, you can snap them off and like dip them into the egg mix. Haha, yeah. Well, there you go, ham and eggs on toast, hardly any hands-on time, and it's cooking while you're getting ready. Anyway, I've got a group of male friends I need to go and visit. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the